Have you ever seen a pickup truck that breaks every rule that's ever existed? Not a mild build, not a typical upgrade, but something completely different. A truck unlike anything else out there. Sounds like fiction, but I'm turning it into reality. An ultimate pickup, reborn from a Land Rover LR4. Why the LR4? Because after everything I've driven, no pickup out there checks all the boxes. But the LR4 does. Power, comfort, true off-road capability, ready to take on hundreds of miles of adventure. In the last episode, I stripped the entire interior, cut the body in half, and shortened the frame, bringing it one step closer to becoming a real pickup. And today, the next phase begins, designing the rear bed, the part that will decide whether this truly becomes a pickup or not. Can this against all logic build actually work? Or is it just a gamble? The LR4 is finally starting to look like a real pickup truck. But this is just the beginning. The bed isn't finished, the chassis still needs precise integration, and there's a long list of complex work ahead. So what do you think? Should I keep the stock engine, or go with something wild, like a Cat 3126 or twin turbos? Drop your thoughts below, because they might shape the entire direction of this build. See you in the next episode.